General quarters.
Use the scroll thing on the mouse to zoom out.
And then
W is forward, A is D, S is reverse.
where should I go?
That is the gold ship that's right there. It's to your right.
Sorry, I have to refuse.
See the gold indicator?
Yes. So this is
Good luck and fair seas.
are you recording my
I owe you one.
That's that.
All stations, provide fire support. Affirmative.
The way the battleships work,
All forces
whatever
proceed to the
direction
base.
the ship is looking,
Let's give them a
that's where
hard
your guns
time.
go.
Dash it all.
so my gun's pushing forward?
It takes a long time for them to move, so like see how that's where your guns are currently aimed at? That symbol is what you're trying to look at.
Mayday.
Which one?
Negative.
That symbol right in the middle. Look over here. You see how there's that
That white
cursor?
thing?
Yeah. That's showing what you are looking at. Your gun's on
Am I
the front of
going
the
the right
ship.
way?
There's not necessarily a right or wrong. Just don't go directly through the center like you're going. because-
Wait, don't.
Enemy force
Yeah.
Where do I
detected.
go then?
Hold it. You want to stay back.
Back. So should
You
I
want to
just-
stay on the back row because you're a battleship.
Am I gonna turn this
Your
vessel?
su-
Am I
your
gonna turn this
support.
vessel around right now?
Yeah.
I'm the captain of this ship. Remember when Dr. Steve was the captain?
The only thing is, you don't want to turn the mouse in the direction that you're turning your ship, otherwise your guns are always going to go from combat. You want to keep that cursor towards over this direction on the right side of your ship.
If I crash into this island.
Remember those videos on YouTube we watched of the ships coming in and beaching? Sorry. That's yelling at someone. Quit ramming me. This guy's.
Where is he?
That says quit ramming me. That guy says quit shooting at me, asshole.
I want to go this way. Why is everyone going that way? Should I be going that way?
You want to die, dummy? McQualm's about pulling your ass out of the water. How now, kids?
Why is everyone's going the opposite direction now? Because this motherfucker back here is coming in from the flank. Matt, what is going on with Matt right now?
Matt's shooting a friendly
Oh my
battleship.
God.
Oh god,
Wait, he's shooting someone on our team?
Shoot that guy. That guy just shot Matt.
Yeah.
No.
No, that's Matt.
Turn more to the right. Alright, click the shift button. No, turn it right. Turn it right.
Oh,
Click the shift button and point at the guy in front of Matt.
is that him? I didn't just shoot Matt, right?
No, that guy just blew that up.
Oh man. Somebody. What the fuck? That guy? Me? Or is that Matt?
That's that.
Oh man. Is he just going to like respawn to the same match still?
No, he's dead.
He's done for the whole game? Oh my god.
The enemy team has taken the lead.
I shouldn't go that way. Oh no. I'm all the way out here by myself. I'm just gonna go and like try to destroy people and see what happens. This is boring. All I'm doing is like sailing around for so long.
Remember what I told you about looking around with the cursor? So you want to pay attention, see your guns right
Oh,
here?
can I shoot right here?
Well, he's on the other side of the island.
Can I shoot through the island?
You can shoot the island, but you can't shoot through it. When that turns green, that means you have a gun lined up ready to fire. this dotted, the dotted line, the circle around you, that's everyone that's in your range. If you ever see a red marker inside of that circle, then that person is in your range to shoot.
So this?
No, see how he's outside of the circle? On the mini-map down there on the bottom right? See that big dotted circle around you?
Yeah.
Any red cursor inside of that dotted line is in range for you to shoot.
So if I go up here, then I'll be in range.
There's a ship to your right that's in range to shoot. That's left.
Oh, that's left. I was looking at one. I can shoot it right now.
No, you gotta put the cursor directly on it. It will actually
Isn't that-
lead it. No, that's the cursor. Bring that down. Move it. No, bring it down. Move it to the right, to where this line needs to be at his water level, where his boat is
like
up,
this?
and lead him more. Yeah, you gotta zoom in more.
No. How do you zoom in?
Scroll up.
Oh, no. There's another one.
I mean, it's all
Can I
like
shoot him?
yes, he's in range. The last like 2 or 3 were good shots.
I wish you could just do like a million shots.
The cruisers can fire shots off. It's just tons of shots.
No, you don't have to try to do
Oh yeah, he's in range. That guy all the way back there. Can you zoom in more? Probably a little way close on that. It's not so turn your ship to the right. So, to where right here, you want that indicator to be straight across. Okay, you'll get past the side. Just cut around here. Just over here. That way you'll be back in range again. Now you can move off and just go straight.
Can I get this thing?
It's an aircraft carrier. He's almost in range. And when you shoot at him, oh, that's his gun.
No, here.
Oh no, that's your guns on your ship automatically shoot those when you get close enough.
Torpedoes, direct
As
front.
soon as you get around that island. No. You want to shift and zoom in over here. So hopefully zoom in. Aim about right there.
What?
breach. We're
What's
taking
going
on water quickly.
Oh, he's
Turn
shooting
right.
me.
Turn.
Where's that coming from, man?
No, you gotta look at the torpedoes in the water.
In the water.
Torpedoes.
Why are there torpedoes?
The ship is on fire.
Oh my god.
Okay, come back up. Come back up. Because the aircraft carrier is to the left. That's
Problem
who just
solved,
dropped
sir.
those bombs on you. There's another battleship to your right.
Why isn't it coming?
Because it's a battleship, it's slow. See how there's this guy right here? He's the one shooting you right now. So if you aim to the right, here, there you go. That's perfect. Yeah, perfect.
Oh, he's shooting at me too. Oh my god. Incoming.
Aim close.
The ship is on fire.
My boat is on fire.
Aim a little closer to him. A little lower. Yeah, there. Now you're gonna want to aim close to the ship.
What's gonna happen?
Ship, those are torpedoes coming at you.
Oh
To
my
your
god.
left, left.
Oh, oh my god, my boat.
Turn.
Oh my god. What is happening?
You're gonna keep going now.
Oh my god. Oh
No,
no.
stop
Oh,
turning.
no.
Don't turn it.
Okay. Excuse me. Oh no. Like it. Oh, we're gonna survive this.
That's your
Problem solved, sir.
Alright, maybe I'm not gonna survive.
It's gonna be rough. If that timer finishes down there, you hit T, that whole grayed out section will be
My boat is suffocating.
because the ability of the battleship is that you have so many heals you can put onto it.
What am I supposed to do?
No, stay looking to the right. Looking to the right. Okay, turn into this. Turn to where you're going directly at those.
At this?
Yes.
I'm trying to. You can see I'm trying.
Yeah, see them drop torpedoes and try and adjust where you go right in between some of the torpedoes.
I'm trying. I'm really
You
trying.
did it. Now come back on again. Because these ones are going to come in and try and drop bombs on you. So you
I'm really sick of these torpedoes for real. Oh shoot, your plane's
just keep
down.
going and watch for the
Oh
gap.
god, oh god, oh god. Oh, it's destroyed.
You guys might still win this game though. If that guy caps that point, see how there's a green square going around it? If that goes all the way up, then you guys win.
That was horrible. I knew.
No, you did good. You did good.
But still, I knew those
You're-
torpedoes were bad news.
No, that was your first game that you've ever really gotten to play. You got with a battleship. You got 24 hits. You shot down 8 enemy jets. That's more than I've ever shot down. Just being honest with you, I've only ever shot 2.
Guess I'm good at this rope game, guys.
And you got a Citadel hit, and you sunk an enemy ship as well.
That was my moment of glory. I was really happy.
Roger, proceeding to assist you.
You guys are 5 seconds from winning this game. It's about 5 seconds.
Meanwhile, my boat is sinking and everybody's dying. Dying in their watery graves. But if our team wins, it's gonna be hilarious.
progress.
Honorable Bailiff.